Buffalo Wild Wings here in Urban, working on a 2016 Hyundai Tucson. We're dealing with the infamous door not opening deal. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all the hack. A lot of times, as you can see, she has a child, so she has a child lock on. Now, a lot of times these things messed up. I went ahead and took it off, but the inside doesn't work, you know, regardless. So we're gonna change out this door handle anyway. Yeah, inside don't work, but that's fine. So whenever you can't open it from the outside, you gotta close. It opens now, but whenever you can't open it from the outside, this, if you look inside of here, now it's gonna be hard to see with these metals, but if you stick a pick, you'll see a wire that's right in there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get your pick around this little wire, and then you're gonna put another pick in the top here. Now what that wire needs to do, actually needs to get pulled downward. So door handle on the inside, I'm gonna make this really brief just to show y'all how to replace this. Of course, after you get the door panel off, okay, it's super easy. There's only one bolt that's right in the middle there in the handle. It's gonna be a Phillips head. Once you take that off, you can put your hand underneath the door panel, pull it, it'll pop off. Okay, so once you get that off, all you'll have is your electrical connector, then the whole panel comes off. Okay, this is what you have here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips heads. And you may think, why is it still stuck? Where it's this small Phillips head right in the middle. This one right there. Once you got that, this one comes out, this one goes in. Let me show you the function of this thing. When you're pulling on this, you can see here, this piece, it hits the stop here, but this stop still has, well, like a 1/2 inch gap, so it could actually pull further. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shorten this thing up. You don't want to go too crazy. Okay. We got this shortened up. Alright, let's take it now. Yeah, now look at that. Look how much more it can get pulled before hitting the stop. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back on, and it'll be working perfectly fine. This is the Hack channel. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, because we're gonna always make sure to bring y'all some value.